All right, let's answer some questions now. Kramer, I'm coming to you because I got a couple on Salesforce, but I got Fergus in California who wants your thoughts before earnings.
All right, here's the problem. When they bought Slack on December 1st of last year, the stock has really underperformed the rest of the group. By the way, AMD has underperformed since Xilinx, and NVIDIA underperformed since they bought ARM because people don't want to see these acquisitions. I think that this is a non-consequential quarter. I think that Salesforce is doing quite well. But what I want to see is, yes, the gauntlet being thrown down. When this Slack deal closes, it's going to be a little while. It's going to be Salesforce pitted against Microsoft like you wouldn't believe. I think Slack is a brilliant acquisition. Own it for that, because Benioff has had it with Microsoft. I wonder how he's feeling, by the way, about some of those charges about the cybersecurity issues, Scott, involving Microsoft, that Microsoft's been able to dodge every bullet. That is a Teflon stock. I can't believe it. It did not read well, what I read yesterday.
I had another question about a good entry point on it. Is now 239? Is that okay?
Well, I mean, look, the stock just it cratered this morning at 231, but I'll say that's fine. Now, last quarter was beautiful, and the stock did not go up. So understand that this is the one that has not done as well as some of the others. ServiceNow has been a better stock. Bill McDermott. But I do think that Salesforce is going to have a great quarter, but I just don't think it seems to matter right now.
Gotcha.
It just doesn't matter. Not till that deal closes.
I'm sorry. I also had some questions about Boeing, which you tweeted just a short time ago. It's one of your favorite stocks, right? Look at what they've thrown at this thing. You say it keeps going up. What happens if it gets one piece of good news?
One piece.
Just one. And I want Farmer Jim's take on it, too. But tell us why you like Boeing so much here.
I wonder if they ground every plane, does it go to 300? I mean, this thing is just so snake bit. It is incredible. I mean, and yet, you know what? They finance very well. They refinance very well. They've got a terrific CFO. This thing cannot, if you want an opening trade that hasn't been Disney'd already, it's Boeing. And I've got to tell you, the secret here will be the fact that Ryanair, I think, is going to place some very big orders. I think that Southwest needs more planes. And I am going to go out on a limb and say that the way that China is going to make nice for the United States is through Boeing, not through soybeans.
Yeah, see, Farmer Jim, right, unlike a lot of the airlines which have had these massive moves, this hasn't really had that huge one lately. It's, a few percentage points up over the last 3 months. It's still down about 30% or so over the past year. It's $100 off its high. You continue to love it, too?
Yeah, I do. And Jim just laid it out beautifully. The only thing I will add to that is that the stock has shrugged off last weekend's news like nothing happened. When a stock shrugs off bad news like that and goes up, it's going to continue going up. I don't make these rules. I'm just telling you what the rules are.
Yeah, and you bought more recently, too. I should let everybody know that.
Kathy Wood does not own it.
Weeks
just
ago.
want to point that out.
Yeah.
Portnoy's not mentioned it.